Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from English Excel. In today's video, I will talk about the ALCOA Plus principle. ALCOA Plus is a part of data integrity. Friends, nowadays the data integrity is a very common issue for every pharmaceutical industry. That's why most of the pharmaceutical industry and regulatory bodies like FDA, WHO are follow the ALCOA Plus concept. Friends, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest video updates. So let's begin. Friends, before understand the ALCOA Plus principle, we need to understand what is data integrity. Data integrity means when data are complete, consistent, accurate, trustworthy and reliable throughout the life cycle is called data integrity. That means each and every data has a specific time period and life cycle. On that particular period, data must be complete, consistent, accurate, trustworthy and reliable. That is called data integrity. Okay? Data integrity must follow the ALCOA Plus principle, that is attributable, legible, contemporaneous, original, accurate, available, enduring, complete and consistent. Later I will discuss the ALCOA Plus principle in details. Data integrity clearly indicates the quality, and the quality means doing the right when nobody is looking. Now I will discuss ALCOA Plus principle. The ALCOA, the acronym, was introduced by Stan W. Ulen, currently Senior Compliance Advisor and Associates in the FDA office early 90s. This word is commonly used in the pharmaceutical sector. The ALCOA word was first introduced by Stan W. Ulen in early 90s. The ALCOA is generally used in the pharmaceutical sector. ALCOA represents the term A for attributable, L for legible, C for contemporaneous, O for original, A for accurate. But now ALCOA is outdated and ALCOA Plus is the updated concept. It is just like GMP to CGMP. This plus represents available, enduring, complete and consistent. Most of the pharma industry and regulatory authorities like FDA, WHO follow the ALCOA Plus concept. Now I will going to discuss in details the whole ALCOA Plus principle. The first word of ALCOA Plus principle is attributable. Attributable means, number one, it indicates who recorded the data and performed the activity with sign and date, either manually or electronically. That means who record and perform the activity with sign and date. Number two is records who wrote it and when. That means who wrote the data and when. Number third is data should be traced or linked with its source like study, analytical run, test system. This concept is applicable for the original data as well as any changes in data. Both should be signed and date by an individual. Next is legible, that means readable. Number one is data should be readable after it's recorded. That means wherever you store your data, the data must be easily readable by everyone. Number two is data recorded permanently in long lasting or durable. This is applicable for both printed and handwritten documents. Next is contemporaneous, that means online record. Number one is record the data at the time it was generated, that is contemporaneously. Means after generating the data, you must be record at the same time. Number 2 is data shall be recorded at the time the work is performed. Means after performing the work or the process, you must be record at the same time. Next is original. Original means prevent data in its unaltered state like raw data and source data. This is the first data generated electrically or manually. Means raw data and source data must be unaltered. Next is accurate. That means error free. Number 1 is data reflect its actual value. That means data must be reflect the actual value whatever you got from your results. Number 2 is data should be trueness. Number 3 is data should be free from error. Accuracy of the data indicates the quality. Next is available. Available means data should be available for review at any time until the defined storage of the document. Available at the time of audit and whenever required for review. That means wherever the data has storage, data must be easily available whenever required at any time for the review and easily available for the time of audit for the review. Next is enduring. Enduring means making sure records exist for the entire period and readable condition. That means wherever you store the data must be existing and readable condition and recorded should be on a control worksheet, library notebook or electronic media. That means whatever you perform, your record must be on a control worksheet, library notebook or electronic media. Next is complete. Complete means number 1, data in complete state to avoid manipulation. Number 2, required level of details fulfilled in the documents considered as complete. Number 3 is all data including repeat or reanalysis performed on the sample. Complete record shows its data reliability and quality. And the last is consistent. Consistent means number 1, data must be follow good documentation practices throughout the process. Number 2 is available data should be in a sequential manner with a sign and date. Number 3 is time should be in the correct sequence shows the reliability and consistency in the process and activity performed. Now here I will providing the summary of LCOA+ principle. Attributable mean who performed and when. Legible mean easily readable. Contemporaneous mean record at the time of activity was performed. Original mean original or certified true copy. Accurate mean error free. Available mean available for review at any time. Enduring mean make sure record exists for the entire period. Complete mean data in complete state to avoid manipulation. And consistent mean data in a sequential manner with a sign and date and follow GDP. Friends, this is all about LCOA+ principle. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching.